Today, we're going to talk about the time loop and getting out of the time loop that a lot of us are stuck into. So we know that there's the conscious and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind can process 40 bits of information per second. The subconscious mind can process 40 million bits of information per second. So there's a huge difference. The conscious mind is what is part of our five senses, that you see what's happening around you, and then you assess it and you file it in a certain file, and then it goes into the subconscious mind. For instance, you say, oh, the color pink. I love the color pink. Oh, the color pink. I hate the color pink. You see that color and you file that opinion in reference to that color or an experience. Like, oh, that Pepto-Bismol made me sick. It was pink. So you'll file that experience and that opinion together in the subconscious mind. So your subconscious mind doesn't judge the facts. It just takes the judgments that are preset by the conscious mind and it plays them in a loop. So if your conscious mind decides, for whatever reason, that you are unlovable, then your subconscious mind will accept that. And your subconscious mind will start to vibrate that idea. And then you will manifest that you are unlovable in your life around you. And the same concept goes for you're unlucky, you're not successful, I'm not attractive enough, I'm not good enough, and I'm not healthy enough, I'm not healthy, and so on and so forth. So if you consciously make a decision in your conscious mind, your subconscious mind will record it, store it, and file it. The trick is, and the tricky part is, how do you erase a program that you've already put in the subconscious mind from the conscious mind and get to rewrite it? So you may just say with your mouth or with your head, I'm lovable, I am lovable, I am lovable, and repeat like a mantra, or people try to repeat things to manifest things. But as you say that, your conscious mind is not really believing it. And then you are just reaffirming a negative. The way to undo what has been put into the subconscious mind is to create a physical experience, to have senses added into that so that it is more readily filed. So this is the trick. A lot of people use meditation so that they can slow the brain waves down and access that subconscious mind. And yes, that is absolutely one way. But for the average person that is on the run and on the go, it's difficult to quiet your mind because your mind is constantly rattling on. Like you may try to focus on serenity and something will creep into your mind and it'll lead you down a road of a million different things. And then before you know it, you're not meditating and you're not relaxing because there's too much noise in your head. So in trying to fight that and trying to relearn and redo that, it's overwhelming to do at first. An easy technique is to create the memory and attach a sensation to it. So I can sit here right now and dream of myself on the beach. And like I see a movie and I see myself on the beach and the umbrella. That's daydreaming. That's not what I'm talking. I'm talking about I see myself on the beach and I'm looking out of my eyes and I look down and I see my body glistening with the oil. I put my hand, maybe I can feel the oiliness of the sun tanning lotion or sunscreen. I can smell the ocean. I put my foot down and I can try to imagine the sensation of the sand. I can hear the waves. So as I close my eyes and I put myself there, I try to incorporate as many of my five senses as I can. Maybe you can just do one. Maybe it's just the sound of my friend or my husband saying, oh, it's so nice to be here at the beach and I can feel them next to me and I can hear the waves. And that's all I have for today. that experience now gets recorded into my subconscious, and my subconscious mind doesn't really know whether I've been there for real or not. So now this vibration is recorded, and it's a positive vibration. So you can do that with any state. If you focus on feeling good, and what does it feel like, for instance, to not have pain in your knee? See yourself, feel yourself climbing a set of stairs. Close your eyes and feel one foot going in front of the other. And each time you push up on the step, feel ease, feel security, feel no pain. And so now you're programming yourself to go up that flight of stairs, to use that knee and to not feel pain. And you may say, well, that's just silliness. But the subconscious mind records things. If you constantly expect knee pain every time you bend or you do something, you are setting yourself up for constant knee pain, even if you do the right biomechanical things in Pilates and in your daily routines to strengthen the knee joint so that there's no longer pain, the ghost of pain, just like people that have had losses of fingers or limbs still feel the pain there because they have that pain recorded in their subconscious mind. So by snapping yourself out of that situation and creating a new situation, you snap yourself out of the time loop. And you can use this snapping out of the time loop to come out of undesirable situations or habits that you may have. Like if you constantly crave sugar, see yourself eating a piece of fruit, feel yourself eating it, taste it, and feel yourself satisfied and enjoying it and finding full satisfaction in it. Create that visual for you, and you will find that these new ideas that are planted will snap you into a new time loop and create positive vibrations for a better future. This is Pilates Master Nikki, and I'll see you in class.